Hey, Mike here from modeltreestore.com. I have an interesting tree here that I wanted to share with you just to show you some of what can be done with the tree. So this one I felt looked a lot like a typical pine tree, specifically the pinyon pine that we see out here in the desert. And so I'm going to use this and make a pinyon pine tree, and I'm actually going to leave the foliage that's on there and just use that to glue to. I will pick off and break off some of these little pieces here. You can see if I bring that close here, it's got these little long narrow branches that I don't think are going to be needed for the finished product that I want, so I'll break those off and we'll see what we can do with it. Thanks for joining me with this one. I hope I can show you something interesting. So I'm working out in my cold garage because it's not as cold as outside, and I don't want the spray glue fumes in the house. So normally I'll attach little pieces to this and hot glue some of it to it, but like I say, with this one I'm going to glue, spray glue, and then I'm just going to put some greenery around it. So we'll start with these lower branches here, and I really only want the greenery on the edges there on the outside, so I'm going to be careful about how I apply that so that my main trunk doesn't become green. And I'm also going to use primarily green on this and not some of the yellow that I have used on other trees. And there we have the finished tree, and I think it's amazing. We'll go put it in the studio. Well, there is the finished product. About 9 inches tall. For a little perspective, we have in the back a tall tree that is about 9 inches tall. This one right here little one right in the front is about 1.5 inches tall. Over here is about 2 inches, just a little below 2 inches perhaps, right around 2 inches tall. And then here we've got about 2.5 inches tall. So 2.5, 1, almost 2, 9 inches tall. And these are all made with the sagebrush tree armatures from modeltreestore.com.